Hello A plus traders, welcome again to another weekly market forecast. My name remains Anebet Asanga. Alright, so let's rush to the economic calendar and see what's going to happen in the week ahead. We see the PMI here from the Eurozone, Spain, Italy, and France, the Germany. So all this will affect all this here will affect the euro. Okay, and let's go to Tuesday. Interest rate decision on AUD, trade balance on dollar, US dollar, and okay, what again? Okay, interest rate decision too on pound. Let's move down. Then non-farm payroll and unemployment rate on US dollar. So that means the focus this week is on pound, Australia dollar, and US dollar, right? Yeah, I'm correct. So if you're trading this week, or if you're a day trader or a swing trader, make sure you are trading currency pairs or assets that are being affected by these events with proper risk management, or better still, you can avoid trading them. Right, so but before we jump into the chart, if you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do that now. Hit the subscribe button below and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates we make on our channel. Right, so let's jump to the chart. We are going to start with natural gas. Since December last year, 2019, we have seen the natural gas carving series of lower highs, you see, and trading within this channel here. And of late, we have seen a bullish impulse. You see, this is a strong bullish. This is a bullish impulse here. Breakout of the channel and retested. This is a retest here and retested. So with this in play, with this simple market structure here, I'm looking for buying opportunities on natural gas for this week. So I'm bullish this week on natural gas. I want to see price bounce off this zone and make the next rally at least to 2.0 zone or the 2.100 zone. So this is the trade we are looking for this week on natural gas. But let's just look at the lower time frame and see what price is doing. So I go to my entry time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. You guys know I'm a swing trader. And what is price doing here? You see the bullish impulse is still very strong and valid. You can see very strong impulse and valid, and we still see buyers jumping in. So this week you want to see price drop down, tag this bottom, then push up to this level here. So on natural gas, look for buying opportunities. Don't miss that buying opportunity. Okay, so the next we are going to look at is Euro AUD. So on Euro AUD, last week we see a price rejection from this key zone here, the 1.6617 zone. That is a key zone. We can see price rejected this level and also carve a hammer candlestick formation. So looking at the daily, this is, let's just go to my entry time frame at once. Okay, this is the entry time frame. So last week price was here and we were bearish last week. Price was here, around here. So I said we should watch for this correction here to break down, tag this bottom, then reverse. So we saw price move down, but I didn't sell. We didn't sell in if you are following our Telegram channel, you notice that I didn't send out a sell signal because I was more interested buying it up, because I prefer looking for a higher reward trade. So I waited for price to drop down, then I got this reaction here, the impulse on the lower time frame, then we took a buy. This was our entry price. 1.6617 was our entry price, and price did what? Rallied up. So this week I'm bullish on this Euro AUD. All I want to see a price correction. I want to see price retest this level, then push up to the 1.800 zone or 1.8200 zone. So this week, watch out on Euro AUD. Price may push up, continue pushing up, or we get a retest. When you see that retest, make sure you buy from this zone. When you get bullish impulse from here, or price rejections from here, that is where you buy. Then you can maybe place your stop loss around this level, around the 1.6343 level, or slightly below this 1.6617 level. Then your target should be, final target should be 1.800 zone. So that is for Euro AUD. Let's look at Euro JPY. So on Euro JPY, let's look at the this is the structure we have on the Euro JPY on the weekly. You see price moving in this channel curving series of lower highs and lower lows, and you see this zone I'm marking out here. This is a very key zone. This shows a break of structure when price was pushing up here. So price still have long term. I'm long term bullish on this pair. I'm long term bullish. I want to see price break out of this channel here, but also keep in mind that price may decide to revisit these lows. But for this week, I am short term bullish. So let's go to my entry time frame. So okay, so here is the, you can see the bullish impulse there. That was on Wednesday and Thursday last week, and price breaking above. So go to 4 hour. So here is my entry time frame, which is the 4 hour. I want to see price break out of this correction here. So we may see one more drop, then breaks out. So your target for this week is 119.00 zone, but I won't want to buy around here. I won't want to buy around here because price has a potential for it to drop back down and retest these lows here. The lows you see, the 116.317 zone. So price may drop down, retest that zone, and here will be a very good price to join the short-term bullish trend. So watch out for bullish impulse from here, and also price rejection from there. So when you get that, you hold till price reaches the 119.00 zone. So if you don't see price break out of this correction here, wait for it to drop down, tag the 116.317 zone, get a bullish impulse from there or rejection, then buy to the upside. So I'm bullish on Euro JPY this week. Next pair to look at is pound dollar. So on pound dollar, I'm still bullish. You see price is still up here, though it's struggling. The buyers are still fighting with sellers around that zone. So this week we saw price rallied a little bit up, then came back down, and I'm also looking at this potential expanding triangle to come in play. Since price have pushed this way, the next move should be maybe tag this bottom and push up again. But with the recent price action, I'm not seeing price push up immediately. So pound dollar is trading within this zone, the 1.2693 zone, and also the 1.19100 zone. And here we are seeing price moving correctively. You can see this is a corrective move here. After this impulse, we are seeing this correction. So price may, so this week if you see price break below this trend line, wait for a little correction, then join it to the downside. If you don't see that and you see price break through this other trend line here, break correct, then you buy up to 1.2693 zone. But personally, I'm bullish on pound dollar. I want to see it break out and push to the upside, but this one more drop is possible, so you need to keep your mind open when you are trading pound dollar this week. So let's look at another pair, USD card. So USD card, I've been trading lower, pushing lower lately. See series of price carving series of, okay, yeah, this is the entry time frame. So price carving series of lower highs, you see lower highs, and I'm bearish on USD card. I want to see price go below this 1.39 zone. So this week I want to see price push up, then drop down to 1.3315 zone. So for this week, keep in mind we are bearish, but we want to buy from this level. We want to sell from this level. Back to 1.33154 zone. So for this week, look for that selling signal, that selling trigger from this level here. Okay, then we look at NZD/USD. So last week on NZD/USD, you see price approaching this key zone here, the 0.6197 zone. It is a key zone, and price also carved an inverted hammer there, which means sellers are coming down to push the price lower. And let's go to daily and see what's happening there. 4-hour time frame, and let's see a clearer picture on entry. Okay, so you see price pushing up gradually until it reaches here. And if you can see, from since the beginning of last month, price have been struggling here. You cannot break these zones here, you cannot break this zone here, the whole of this zone. So that is a resistance. So this week I'm bearish. I want to see price break out of this trend line, correct, then we sell it down to 0.5600 zone. So this week, pay close attention to price, for price to break below. When you see the close below, either a retest or a correction, you sell it to 0.5600 zone. Or price may decide to push up again from here, tag this top once more, then drop. So whatever scenario appears there, just make sure you don't miss the selling opportunity. You don't miss the selling opportunity there. So let's look at Bitcoin. Last week we were bullish on Bitcoin. I said price is going to push up and buy, and price did just that. So let's just look at the chart. So last week price was around here, and I was looking for buying opportunities. I say you should wait for price to break out of this correction here, this, let me plot that out. This was the correction around here. Say price will break out from there, and we actually saw price did that. So if we should look at this, on a daily time frame, you notice that this is a channel here. So here is it, the channel, you can see. And within last week we got the rejection, the inverted hammer there on the 8991 zone. So, and that is a key resistance. If you should look at this on the weekly time frame, it's a key resistance. So this week we are looking for short-term selling opportunities. So we go to the 4-hour entry time frame, and you can see from the 4-hour that price, there's a bearish impulse here and kind of a correction. So we want to see this correction breakdown. This week you pay attention to this correction here. See that correction to break down. So you want to see that correction breakdown. So bearish on Bitcoin this week. I want to see selling impulse and rejections from the 9,200 price mark. So when I get that rejections from there, I'm going to sell it very, very hard till price reaches the 8,000 zone. So that is what we can cover this for this particular episode of the weekly market forecast. If this tutorial was helpful for you, like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to the Telegram channel and hit the notification bell. And also, if you have questions regarding the setups we have discussed there, or any trading and related question, comment below this video and I'll answer your question and maybe do a special video for you. So thank you for your time. I wish you a peaceful week ahead. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.